Hello, you want to see how I shape this fish jellof rice? Keep watching. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm going to be preparing perfect fish jellof rice. So I added my vegetable oil, butter. Now I'm adding my melusa fish. I season it with salt. I cover it with fling and allow it to rest for 3 hours. So I'm going to add them inside the oil and I'll cover and allow this side to be brown. So I came to check on it. I'm going to fling over so that the other side can also be brown too. So I'm going to continue this process. And after that, I will cover and allow this other side to be brown. So here is fried. I'm taking them out of the oil. So I removed some of the oil. I added my vegetable, tomato, shallot, garlic, ginger, onion, bell peppers, paprika, nutmeg, thyme, curry powder, onion powder, salt, seasoning cube, thyme, rosemary. I'll cover on a low heat and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will take them out of the oil and I will add them to my blender. So I'm done removing them. I will add in my onion. I'll give it a good stir and I'll go ahead to blend my peppers. So I'm done blending. I will take it out from there. So you can see my rice is there soaked with hot water. So I added in my tomato paste and my bay leaf. So I'm going to stir and combine thoroughly. I'll cover it and allow it to simmer on a low heat for 5 minutes. So here is 5 minutes. I'll add in my blended peppers and I will give it a good stir and I will cover and allow it to cook more. So here it has been cooking. I came to check on it. I gave it another good mix. And now I'll be adding my washed rice. I will mix together, give it a good stir. So now I added 1 teaspoon of salt, some powdered onion. I will be adding some curry powder and I will mix together thoroughly. So now I will raise my blender with hot water and add it to my rice. So I'll give it a good stir and I'll cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is it. I gave it a good stir. I will be adding in my onion, my butter. If you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching. My returnees, thank you for your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please press the subscription bell on the notification button so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I covered with fling on a low heat for 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. I came to check on it. I gave it a good stir. I tasted for salt. It was okay. So now I will cover again and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. So here is another 5 minutes. Our jollof rice is ready. So I gave it a good stir. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.